Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today we are in my dining room, and I am going to be decorating my dining room for the fall season. As I go through the decorating process, you guys are going to see that I change my mind a lot. Decorating is obviously a process, and you know, it takes some time and it takes some thought. And so I'm going to be, you're kind of going to see my brain working in real life, just shifting and changing things to my liking. I'm not trying to do a whole lot because I have a lot of focal, places or points in this dining room space, and so I am just kind of adding fall touches here and there. So you guys are going to definitely get to see me kind of shifting and changing my mind and putting this here and removing it and putting something completely different. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Also, I am collaborating with my sister girl Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. I will have her channel linked down in the description box. You guys are not going to want to miss what she has going on. Her home is absolutely gorgeous, and the girl can decorate, okay? So definitely check out her channel, subscribe, and let her know that I sent you. So let's go ahead and get decorating. So as you can see, I changed my mind from the white vase to this beautiful brownish vase. I actually painted this vase myself. It was a turquoise green, and you could kind of see some of the turquoise shining through, and I really do love that. It kind of makes it look aged and old and just antique. So I am going for I guess an eclectic traditional European vibe in this dining room. My theme is autumn in New York, and I was inspired by, obviously I live in New York State, so I was inspired by all the fall colors and this beautiful picture that I found in Hobby Lobby that had the different shades and different colors, autumnal colors, if I can get that out. By the way, I am filming this at 3 o'clock in the morning, you guys, hence why I have my PJs on. I couldn't sleep, and I just thought about just getting up, and instead of scrolling on my phone, I decided to just decorate my dining room for the fall. So this is 3 o'clock in the morning, you guys, so don't mind my PJs. I do like to decorate in comfy PJs and comfy clothes, and craft as well in comfy PJs. So I hope you guys are comfy and cozy as well. So back to the video. I am going for a more traditional, moody fall, cozy vibes, and I think that I have achieved it in my dining room as well as throughout my home, and I hope that you guys feel that warmth and coziness from the video as well. I just love the way that this turned out. It's not a lot, but it just gives you that fall cozy, moody vibe that I love about fall in New York. New York is such a magical place during the holidays, and especially at fall time. It gives like this moody vibe, and just the colors are vibrant and rich and earthy and beautiful, and I just absolutely love it. So I am just loving the way that this space is turning out. Now we are on to my thrifted hutch. By the way, you guys, 93% of the items, furniture, decor, everything that you see in my dining room is thrifted. So it just goes to show that you can thrift your home and achieve a beautiful, classic, high-end look, but without the high-end prices. So I am just loving the way that everything is turning out. I love my hutch, the way that it's been decorated with all of my thrifty, beautiful knickknacks. And I am just, y'all, I am just really, really impressed at the way everything turned out. So I hope that you guys are getting the vibes, the fall vibes and the cozy vibes from these videos, and also that you can decorate your home on a budget. I always say that shop your home first. If not, visit the thrift stores, see what you can find. Your home will be authentic to you and it will not look like anyone else. So I just love that my home does not look like anyone else's home. It does not look like a Target or a Home Goods or a TJ Maxx, though I have things in my home that are from those stores, but it doesn't look like a showroom, so to speak. I love for my home to look curated and lived in and cozy. And I just love the vibes that these beautiful pieces are giving. So I hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and I will drop back in. So you will see here that on the middle shelf, I don't have anything in the middle. I decided at the last minute to go ahead and place a picture in that middle shelf that I got from Pinterest, and I just printed it off of the Walmart print app, and I love this photo. It does not have a frame. It's just simple, and it reminds me of London in the fall for some reason, and I just love the way that it looks, you guys. This is just turning out so beautifully, and I just, oh my gosh, I am just over the hill excited. So now we are turning our sights onto the table. I am just doing a simple tablescape, you guys. It's just myself, my husband, and our kids. And at first you're going to see that I'm decorating for the 5 spots on the table, but then you're going to see that I turned it around and added another setting to the head of the table. But it's just the 5 of us, and maybe my son's girlfriend will be joining us. But I just wanted you guys to see that you can also just decorate your tables on a budget. I got these beautiful chargers from the Dollar Tree, and I just love the burgundy, moody feeling that it gives, and it ties in with all of my burgundy feel decor in my dining room. So I love the way that it looks. I love how it turned out. I also love how simple it is, but festive. So I am just loving this tablescape. So I am adding these beautiful burnt orange ribbons to my sconces that I thrifted, and I just love the way that the burnt orange hits against that brass. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it just gives that classic elegance, that, you know, sophistication, and I just love it so much. I love the way that this room turned out. It's probably my favorite spot in the home so far. And you'll probably hear me say that throughout my entire fall decorating, because I just love the coziness and the vibes that I am getting from all of the rooms in my home that has been decorated for fall. So I hope that you guys are liking it too.
If you're giving me your love, giving me your love, each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, Tell me what you.
So this is the way that the dining room turned out. I'm also going to give you kind of like a nighttime shot, though when I'm filming it, it's still kind of nighttime, but I'm going to give you a shot without the overhead light. But I love the way that it turned out, you guys. It's beautiful, it's classic, it's elegant, it's rich. I love the beautiful vibrant colors against the moody browns and, you know, the gold and the brass and the oranges. It's just a vibe. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and you probably can see a little bit of my garland in my foyer, but that video is coming up. But I hope that you guys enjoy this video and that you took away some tips and some ideas as to how you can decorate your home on a thrifted budget, achieving the high-end look that you might be going for, but with a non-high-end price tag. So I'm so sorry, I'm a little bit congested. I'm still healing from being sick, but I love the way that this dining room turned out, and I hope that you guys do too. Don't forget to visit my girl Stephanie. Her video link will be down in the description box, and I know that you guys are going to enjoy her video as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys are loving all the fall videos and that you guys are having a great start to your fall decorating as well. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. That's Nyla. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
I'll do anything as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
I know you've heard it all before, but you are the love of my life. I knew when you came through the door that you are the love of my life. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. I remember meeting you in a dream, thinking that's the love of my life. Most handsome man I'd ever seen. I said you must be the love of my life.